Shorts. I connect the capacitor to a cable that connects the 120 volts to the capacitor through a push button. Super dangerous. Don't try it at home. Let me demonstrate. If I plug it into the first short the AA battery and see how much current it can deliver. 9.6 amps. Now let's short the super cap. Of course, the resistance of this wire is going to limit the current through the super cap.
He's shocked.
Of course, the resistance of this wire is going to limit the current.
He plugged.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, then get this guy shocking himself.
You're holding the wire. That's just a super capacitor with it.
Live and in color, we have it. Don't like all that raw metal around the wires, but
super cap.
He's pretty much an idiot. But that's how he gets his whatever.
He's an electrical engineer. He knows what he's doing. But
he's having a lot of fun being stupid.
Yeah. I think you'd be able to do the same thing and laugh.
I could.
But you wouldn't feel great.
I'm not really wanting to be a comedy act. I'm trying to help people.
I don't think you.
People saw that on my website. This not the image that I wanted.
Not sure if we want him.
Yeah, he's funny to watch, but I'm not going to have him work on my house. Okay, where's that bust? Give me that fancy one there.
Doesn't really fit.
It's just a really cheap light fixture. There's no flange to pull back or nothing. You have to. Bend. There you go. Don't like all that, but there's no cover for the wires. All right, well, we're just going to keep doing that until we run out of these shunted light fixture ends and direct drive. These don't have any ballast, this LED bulb, and all the drive comes from one end, the hot and the neutral on one end, and probably save. My experience has been $1 a month per bulb, and I was able to buy these for around $2 a piece with shipping included. But now if I have to add the shunted, non-shunted light ends, that would add another $250 to it, so it'd be $450 each. So it would take me 4 or 5 months to get everything paid for, savings wise. But I will have immediately lower electric bills and such. So anyway, there it is. You just do it again. We'll take you on when we do some of the different ones, but that was a cheapy old what they call shunted end one, and we'll take you when we go to the other type. Okay, now we have a different kind of light fixture. I took this cover down after taking these bulbs down. Now if you notice, this one has a ballast. We're going to eliminate that ballast. The ballast is not bad, so I'll probably keep it for repairing something else, but in this, I need a smaller wire nut probably, but that'll be all right. I'm disconnecting the power. This is all live, by this all hot. You don't have to do that hot. You can do it by turning the breaker off the lights were working on this and everything, so it's not like I didn't know it was hot. It is hot. But now that I've disconnected all the power, I can take all this down. Now there's it looks like a lot of wires, but it is a big bunch. But here's the deal: these two with the bulbs that we have don't do anything but support the end. The power is going to be down here, and the way they've got this done is it goes through a switch, so power goes in and power comes out. So we'll put it on this side. This is the side that comes from over here. That'll be the last thing I'll hook up probably. Although I could hook it up to the hot side. All right, so let me get a screw gun. I'll take this ballast down, start cutting these wires. Don't need my electrical tools. Okay. Like I said, those are going to be for support. I'll take this ballast down. Use it for something else. Now it's got a screw on that end, and it just sticks in the. Well, it's got a screw on both ends on this one. They all have different ways that they go on. It's kind of warm, like that's normal.
Is it supposed to be warm?
Sometimes it'll be so warm you can't touch them. They'll literally melt. And you'll see that smoke right there. That would be from
Smoke?
yeah, see right here. It's where our ballast melted. Probably have to just cut this and put wire nuts on it. But this we need to take out. Power to the light fixture. Actually, that is not actually the power to the light fixture. Just powering up the ballast, so we don't need that.
Can eliminate that?
Yeah, I can take it loose right here so that the power goes through the switch, and you still have a switch you can operate if you wish. See the lineman pliers, and I'll pull that loose. This is not hot.
We're downstairs, huh?
I got it. Okay, now we don't have as many wires. And that's a good ballast. Okay, somebody wanted a ballast. Every now and then I do. Okay, so the power to both of them will be right here. What I can do is just jump from one side to the other. I can cut that and splice them all together. And this neutral, I can cut that and splice them all together. And these I'll just put wire nuts on. So here's my power going into the switch. I'm going to cut these two. These are power going to both sides of that.
Whoa,
What was that?
it just fell down.
Oh, one fell out of the light. That's kind of odd. Kind of need the lineman pliers. Be nice.
I
Anyway,
need to grab them.
we can do it without it. Let's see. And this one goes to that. Tie those all together. This will go to the power. And I got these here. I got to splice, put a wire to that neutral. Stripping it. Tie these two together. Okay. Let's see. I can take a yellow wire and turn it into a neutral. We have a lot of excess on it. Sticking really good. With the razor knuckles. Something does not want to come loose. Okay. That's somebody. Okay. You can shut that down if I want to talk to it.